Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a group from Facebook. So you have created a group with your friends or your family, or you created a public group to discuss or upload content on a certain topic, but now you'd want to delete that page because you don't need it, or there's some other reason you want to delete that page for, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. In today's video I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Facebook group in very easy way. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete a group in Facebook is open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open your Facebook application, make sure you are logged into the account that you created the group with, or if not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into the account, in order to delete the group, what you want to do is tap on the three bars in the top right corner. Once you tap on the three bars in the top right corner, here you'll see an option labeled as groups. Tap on that. Once you tap on the groups option, you'll land on an interface like this. From here, tap on your groups option to see the group you have created or the group you are joined with. Once you tap on the group option, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, you'll see a section labeled as groups you manage. So that is the group that you created, or that is the group that you're admin or manager to. So select the group from there what you want to delete. Open that group. Once you open that group, in order to delete a group, the first thing you will need to do is remove all the members from that group. Yes, if you haven't removed all the members from the group, there's no way you can delete the group. So once you remove all the people from the group, what you want to do is tap on the shield icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on the shield icon, you land on an interface like this. From here, in order to delete the group, what you want to do is scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll see an option labeled as delete group. But if you haven't removed the members from this group, you won't see this option. So to see this option, you'll need to remove the members from the group. Once you remove all the members, come here, see this option. To delete the group, what you want to do is tap on the option. Then a pop-up warning like this will open. Now you need to give the confirmation to delete the group, so tap on delete group option. Once you tap on the delete group option, you'll successfully delete the group that you wanted to delete. So that was the simple step in order to delete a Facebook group from a Facebook account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.